Hello, I'm Professor Margaret Rogers Van Coops, but I like to be called Dr. Margaret. Today I'd like to give you some information about a very special event at which I will be teaching. That event is called the Symposium of Quantum Consciousness and Healing in Los Angeles, August the 17th to the 19th. But before I tell you more about that, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about me. I was born in 1942, and as an infant, apparently after a bomb dropped across the road, people held me and got healed. And after the war, people were still holding me and getting healed. So by the time I was in my 20s, I had established myself as a psychic and as a healer. I went on to become very well known throughout England and Europe, teaching everything about the paranormal, the strange and the unusual. But along with that, I'd been nursing and working with many illnesses and diseases, and by the time I was 36, I had developed Parkinson's disease, and as a result of getting that disease and curing myself, I studied a great deal about the brain, the energies of the five bodies, the chakras and so on. And having clinically died with Parkinson's disease and returned, I was awakened to the oneness and have been teaching about the oneness ever since. So back to the event, the Symposium of Quantum Consciousness and Healing in August. What will I be doing? I will be doing 3 events. The first one will be a demonstration of clairvoyance, where I will be contacting your loved ones on the other side and giving messages to the participants in the room. After I've done that, I will also be doing a class workshop on psychic development. So if you've got some sense of your ability as a psychic and want to go further, this is a workshop to come to. And last but not least, I have formed a panel of 5 especially great people who are going to talk about their journey into the oneness and what it means to them. And I do invite you to come to that, because I'm sure many of you today are beginning to understand and know the word the oneness. I wrote a book many years ago where the oneness had been given to me, and that book is called now Journey into an Unknown World, The Way to Oneness Revisited. And as a result of all my many books, I have recently written My Journey into the Oneness, which you might like to get a copy of, and which I will have copies of at the event in Los Angeles. Meanwhile, while I'm there, you might want to have a healing session or a psychic session with me, or you might want to have one before that. If so, you can contact me, Dr. Margaret, RVC, @gmail.com, and I will be happy to help you out with any questions. If you would like to chat with me, we can arrange an appointment where you will call me on the telephone and we'll discuss whatever it is you need. Meanwhile, let me remind you, the Symposium of Quantum Consciousness and Healing, August the 17th to the 19th, will be an amazing event where you can, in your own time, wander around and explore everything that you need to know. Go to www.5devents.com and you will find all the information that you need there. You'll see a list of speakers, and you'll also find out information about a similar event that is happening in Denver, Colorado later in the year. So until then, I hope that I'll be seeing you in Los Angeles or hearing from you before by writing to me, Dr. Margaret, RVC, @gmail.com. That's Dr. Margaret, RVC, @gmail.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.